Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss why you're not getting emails on Gmail. So the first reason why you're not getting emails may be because of full storage, because Google gives you free 15 gigabytes for Google Drive and Photos. So if it's full, then you need to clean it to check if you have some free storage. You need to go to the page Google One Storage. This one, Google One. And you can see that my storage is completely empty. So you need to delete large emails, Google Drives and Google Photos. And also you can try empty section trash and spam in your application. So when you open your Gmail application, you need to enter the menu in your upper left corner, and here you can see a trash section, and you need to empty your trash, and this can help clearing the storage also. Also, the reason why you're not getting emails on Gmail may be because those emails are going to spam or other tabs, for example promotions and updates, and you just simply don't see them because they are in spam. To fix it, you need to check your spam folder. If you have here some emails that you need, also you can check all mail. So here are all mails, and also you can check promotions tab, but I don't have here promotions tab because it's my business Gmail. And so when you see that needed email is in spam, you need to firstly open the email, and then you need to mark it as a not spam, so that the emails from the sender will be displayed in your inbox, not in your spam. Also, the reason to why you're not getting emails may be because you accidentally blocked the sender, and now the emails are not going to you. So you need to check blocked addresses. To do that, you need to again open menu and go to settings, and then click the account you're using, and here you see blocked users. I don't have any blocked users here, but if you will have the list of blocked users, you need to just simply click on the user and unblock the user, and then you can receive some emails from this user sender. What else? You can try a different browser. So for example, if you have a laptop or a computer or some other device, you can try using Gmail application on the other device, because on this device that you're currently using, here may be some glitches, some problems, and that's why your Gmail is not working. And also you can try updating Gmail application, if I haven't mentioned that earlier. So I think that's all for this topic. If this video helped you, please leave your thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.